This is a commercial dehumidifier, model TTK175S. With the powerful drying technology, the TTK175S impresses you with a variety of detailed solutions, and a high dehumidification performance, of maximum 50 liters per day. Designed with super tough construction, along with bar handle and large wheels, the TTK175S can be easily transported without any hassle. It can be safely stacked to save space in storage or transit. It is featured with built-in operating hours counter, which accurately records the precise duration of work. Here are the main features of the device. The dehumidifier is made in Germany, with high-quality standards. It gives maximum dust and moisture protection for all electrical components. It offers high dehumidification performance even at low temperature range. The device has low maintenance cost. The air filter of the device can be easily cleaned and washed. The temperature measuring range is 5 to 32 degrees Celsius and humidity measuring range is 32% RH to 100% RH. This smart dehumidifier protects your humid environment and is ideally designed for labs, chocolate manufacturing units, pharmaceutical storage rooms and also for construction drying, water damage and other demanding tasks. For pricing and purchasing, contact our sales team today. Vaca Global offers all types of dehumidifiers for domestic, commercial and industrial applications. Subscribe our YouTube channel and stay updated with our latest videos.